What's up, y'all? We're here checking out this show. Try to get some cheap slabs. Hey, how's it going? Ooh, damn. So cool. Wow, look at all these packs. Magic. Get some cool side up stuff. I'm trying to think of what I'm looking for. This magic card right now. The Mew celebrations. This Mew. You know. Magic card. But I'm first looking to try to get as many slabs under 50 bucks as I can get. I want to see if somebody's got like a big old fucking case of slabs. I know that they're here.
How you doing?
Hey man, good, how are you?
Good, good.
When was the last time you comped these? Do you know?
I think he copped them today.
Yeah?
Or yesterday. When did you price her yesterday? When did you comp those yesterday?
Yeah. Would you do 160 if I got all of these? It's at 80%.
Oh,
No?
I couldn't do anything.
Okay.
I'd be at like 90.
So we have somebody that buys them for 85.
So at 90%, that's at like 184. Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you do like 175? $10 less? $9 less? The old tricky calculator. I think that would be like, let's see. It'd be, yeah, it'd be paying like 86%, yeah.
We used to do like 180 flat.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
$180 flat for these bad boys. Cool.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, man. Thank y'all. Oh, there's that magic carp again. I love the magic carp. Good man, how are you?
Selling it?
No. Alright y'all, we did pretty good. We paid 80% for these. So that's a good deal. These are always really good, man. These are just like good sales for... Yeah, I feel like this Ivy store.
I think the card is kind of cool, but if it's too
Yeah, see, he's right on point. He's right on point. We are looking for graded cards. So many singles. Okay. This is a cool show though. $12. Holy smokes. That's crazy. Just graded cards.
Graded?
Yeah.
I don't have any. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
you're good. How's it going, man?
For anything in particular?
Yeah, just looking around. Hey, good, how are you?
Suck. Yeah, man. That's suck. That Gengar should not be like, that is so cheap. I know. So cheap. Is it like is there a full art version? Yeah, I think from Fate of 4, I think it's the beam, isn't it? I think. If anything catches around over here, just point it, I'll take it out for you.
Cool, I appreciate that, man.
Thank you, bro.
I'm kind of perusing for like, I'm looking to grab a bunch of PSA slabs that are like $60 or less. I only saw a few in here.
Yeah. Something like that.
Yeah, okay. You're kind of only the person that has a lot of slabs right now in this show, so. They're 80 in a PSA 9.
What's up, man?
Hey man, how's it going?
Hey, it's going on. How about yourself?
Pretty good. Just perusing around.
Find those goodies here?
You know, yeah. Yeah, I found them while I was here.
Mind if I see?
Yeah, for sure.
I take a look at
Just some like cheaper, like $50 and under slabs.
Hey,
I'm surprised that this was less than 50 bucks.
that's way too much.
I know, that's kind of crazy. Thanks, man.
How's it going, sir?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
Okay, I did this, I think. Alright, because I came in that door. Track it up and let's go. Oh my god. Fuck.
Hi there, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. The terrariums, the little ones are 15, these are 30, and these are 40. I make them.
They're so cool.
They're $10 free. They like this, yeah.
All right, y'all, that was the show.